Planning a DIY move can save you money, but it also takes more preparation than most people expect. If you want your move to go smoothly, there are a few smart steps that make a big difference. Let's walk through the key tips that help you stay organized, safe, and stress-free. Start with planning. Create a simple moving checklist and timeline so you know what needs to be done each week. Booking your truck early is important because prices go up during busy seasons. Make sure the truck you choose is the right size so you do not end up making multiple trips. Packing is where a lot of time gets lost, so start early. Pack one room at a time and label every box. Use strong boxes, plenty of padding, and keep heavy items in smaller boxes so they are easier to lift. Place the things you will need first in clearly marked boxes so you can find them quickly when you arrive. A DIY move means you are the one doing the lifting, so safety is important. Bend at the knees, keep boxes close to your body, and do not try to lift more than you can handle. If you have large furniture, rent tools like dollies, tie-down straps, and furniture pads. These are small investments that protect your belongings and your back. Loading the truck is all about strategy. Put heavy items in first and stack lighter boxes on top. Keep fragile items separate and secure them so they do not shift during the drive. Take a quick walk around before hitting the road to make sure everything is tied down properly. A DIY move gives you full control and can be a great option when you prepare the right way. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.